Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Home Depot tool section. It says Father's Day savings. So what I did is I just went to the Father's Day savings tab in the home page of Home Depot, and it brought me here to the tool section. As you can see, we got some deals here. They're still doing the deal with whether you buy this for 99 bucks. It's pretty much an 18 volt one, lithium with a 3 amp hour battery, 2-pack starter kit with the charger in a bag for 99 bucks, and you get a tool for free. So check out your nearest Home Depot for that. We got another tool kit. It says 20 volt max lithium cordless combo kit, 7 tool with 1 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour batteries, rolling tough system box. A lot of people have been saying bad things about this kit. Yeah, it is a starter kit. It is a DIY kit. It's not for your professional. I mean, professionals could use this obviously because it's DeWalt, but this is not going to be your top of the line DeWalt. This is going to be your basic, not brushless. It's going to be brushed, older model DeWalt. And a lot of these tool kits, you got to be careful when you buy them. Make sure you're getting the brushless, you're getting the latest model. But like this one, you can tell that the drill is a nice drill and the impact driver is a brushed. See right here, this is a brushed. I believe this is a brushless, if I can check. High speed transmission, 2-speed. No, these are all brushed. Yeah, these are all brushed tools. This one has a label for XR, but most of these are all brushed tools. Just thought I'd let you guys know. But definitely a great buy there if your father or if you're for yourself. You're not in the professional field. You just want something that for the house, or maybe you do a professional but light duty use there. Then this is a great deal too. This is probably a better deal. You got the Milwaukee M18 18 volt lithium ion brushless cordless hammer drill and impact combo kit with the tool with the free M18 hacksaw. So this is the compact version of the saw. Still great kit, because this by itself it's 200 bucks. So for 20 bucks more, you're getting that. It's definitely a great. I think this is a better deal than this. Definitely, because you're getting the brushless. It's not the newest. Again, I'm telling you guys, it's not the newest, the latest. It's not the fuel version, but it is a brushless. So you guys are still getting the not the newer, but the newer, or the not the newest, but the newer. You got the Milwaukee Hole Dozer General Purpose Bimetal Hole Saw Kit for 99 bucks. Yeah, I guess it says save $90, 47%. Then again, I haven't never used that. A lot of people go by it, swear by it. But that's what they have now for the discounted price. It says see lower pricing cart. I wonder what this. You have to add it to the cart. I hate that when they do that. It's not like you can. All they do is just take $349. Still not a bad deal. It's a double bevel sliding compound miter saw. Not a bad deal for. They actually lowered the price on this. It was way more than $349. So I can see. I don't know if you guys know, but Harbor Freight did come out with the similar saw clone. This is 18 volt lithium cordless drill drive impact driver 2 tool combo kit. Still not a bad deal. However, I seen this lower. Seen this one for 119, I believe. Ignore. Yeah, this is not the brushless. So this is the older model. You got 2 batteries there for $89. Might as well get this one with the free tool. Let's see here. There's another great deal here. This is the DeWalt 15M corded 10-inch compact job site table saw with pro modular guarding system with the stand. Yeah, this one has a nice little setup there. $329. This is not a bad deal. Definitely a great, good deal. And this is another great deal if you don't have the money to spend on something like that. This is lower cost. This is lower than what it was before. So this is $199 now. This is the rigid 15 amp 10-inch, and this does have the same. I believe this one does. Well, not the same, but it's a great quality saw there. That's the Lecto DeWalt. It's another great deal here. You're getting 3. Well, this has always been $200. If you're not in a hurry, it's just gonna be there anyways. It's still a great deal though for 3 guns and a compressor for $200. Not a bad deal here. You got brushless tools. So 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless 5.2 combo kit with the 1 4-amp hour battery and 2 amp hour battery for $299. Not a bad deal. I have these. They work pretty good. You know, I beat them up. They last forever. Yeah, I was going to say this is a good deal, but it's out of stock. Sold out. Yeah, this is a great deal for Milwaukee. This was a 5 amp hour battery and a charger. This is, I guess it's an okay deal. Like I said, there's a lot of better deals out there. Definitely would spend the extra, what is it, $70 and get the brushless Milwaukee ones. But if you can't afford, the Milwaukee ones, this should be good for you. If you're a DIY, like I said, and a light duty professional use. It's the Milwaukee M18 fuel, lithium brushless, cordless 4.5 for $179. This is another good one. Actually, I heard good reviews about this one. I haven't heard good reviews about the impact driver though, the atomic impact driver. They say it's kind of, not really a powerful impact driver, but they're not saying anything bad about this one. This one's real good. This was the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt max lithium-ion brushless, cordless compact half-inch drill driver with 2 1.3 amp hour and a charger in a bag. So this is not a bad drill here for you guys, especially for $99. It's not a bad saw there. This is the bigger table saw. The other one we saw was a compact. This one does have the nice rail, I think. Yeah, this is real nice. The rail system has a big table there. That's a good buy there for $4.99. See if I can go down. It's a 30 piece for $9.97. Not a bad kit there. Get a much better deal somewhere else for that. I would say, like I said before, this is not the best impact driver. There's a lot of better impact drivers out there. This actually has less power than the 88 what is it, 887 or 787. Yeah. So still not a bad kit if you're starting off, but definitely not the best deal out there. This is a great, like I said, this is a good drill there for you. What is this? A saw, brushless saw? Oh, super saw. Wow, this is the newest super saw from Milwaukee for $2.99. This is not a bad deal, guys. If you're into the Milwaukee platform, yeah, this is the super saw. Wow, that's nice. Yep, this is the newest saw from Milwaukee, and it's on sale for $2.99. It's just probably the same price as the old one. What is this? They took me back. Oh yeah, it took me back. Let's see what else. This is not a bad deal. It's M12, 12 volt lithium cordless combo kit for tool with 3 1.5 hours batteries, charger, tool bag for $199. These are not brushed. However, you're getting all these tools. You're getting 4 tools. It says 15 amp 12 sliding miter saw, free heavy duty miter saw stand, $5.99. Oh, this is the one that comes with the flex volt battery. Still not a bad deal. DeWalt 20 volt max. Lithium ion cordless brushless combo kit to tool flex volt. Yeah, definitely if you want a flex volt battery, this is the kit for you. And flex volt does have more power. Again, we got an older kit, older tools. Still, you're getting a lot for the money there. Would recommend for somebody starting off. This is the Rocket Light, yeah. This is the Rocket Light M12, 12 volt lithium, cordless 1400 lumen. Rocket LED stand for work light with a free 6 amp hour battery. M12 battery, yeah. For $149, it's not a bad deal. It's a great deal if you're in the Milwaukee platform. Even if you're not, still getting a battery with it. What is this? 5-tool combo kit for $199? Wow, this is even better than the other one. It's a great deal here. M12, 12 volt lithium cordless combo kit. 5-tool with the 1.5 amp hour battery, charger, and tool bag for $199. These are some good little drills here for you. Let's see here. This is, yeah, they did lower the price on this one. Tool only, I believe it was like $300. But now they lowered the price to $299 with the battery and charger. See here, we got the 20 volt XR Lion brushless torque half an inch impact with the anvil, 4 amp hour battery, $299. Let's see here, we got more. Get the field version of the 12 volts. Plus you get a multi-tool. Impact driver combo kit, free M12 multi-tool, $199. This is the hole dozer, purpose bimetals hole. Yeah, see, this is cheaper than the other one. For $69.97, not a bad deal. Let's see here, $279 for this. If you're DIY, this should be good for you. But professional, I guess you could get away with it. You know, use it for a little while. Start off. This is the brushless cordless combo impact. Yeah, we had the same kit, but with the pack out box before. Still not a bad buy for $199. These are the brushless, I believe. Yeah, brushless cordless compactor driver. Yeah, we had better deals than this before. That's not a bad deal if you're on the DeWalt platform. You need some batteries. You got 20 volts XR lithium premium battery pack, 5.0 amp hour, 2-pack, $159. Not a bad deal there for you. Oh, this got the nail gun fuel 18 volt lithium brushless 16 gauge cordless angle finish nailer, $289. We got the DeWalt black oxide drill bit set. I do have this this bit set. It's worked pretty good. It hasn't been that bad. I was drilling through some metal, so works pretty good. especially these are more like for like thin metal, not really thick metal. You got 2 basic batteries there for 99 bucks. Got an M18 18 volt brushless cordless hammer and impact driver combo kit. I can say this is a much better deal, guys, than the other one. This is a great deal. Getting this fan for free, basically. Getting a big battery and a small battery. Nice. Where's the impact driver? Yeah, this is definitely a great deal there. You're getting that fan for free. Where were we at? Right here. This is a great deal there. Got 2 Makita batteries for 99 bucks. Small batteries though. These are all small batteries. Guess you get 3 nailers for pneumatic framing nailer, finishing nailer stapler combo for 189. See, if you buy the compressor, you get the compressor basically, and you get three of these. But yeah, this is 4 pieces, so still not a bad deal. I'd rather get the compressor though. Got the inflator for $24.97. Let's see here, $229. It's for the drywall. $129. Is this the atomic? Yeah, this is. Yeah, there's mixed reviews on this, but yeah, this is not the most powerful that they have. It is a compact. It's not really as compact as the other ones. It's just basically the same size. So. Guess it's just a new name they named the tool. Anyways, that's it for today. What is this? Oh, this is the other M18 18 volt lithium brushless cordless saw, reciprocating saw with the M18. Yeah, if you're gonna be spending that much, I would rather spend it on the other one. The other one has a big battery and it comes with a charger, and it is the latest. It is the most powerful from Milwaukee, the Super Saw. However, if you're in a budget, this will get you through the job. This is a great saw, by the way, too. But if you got the extra $100, I would rather spend it on the other saw. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and have a happy Father's Day.